Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be reviewing our trading recap in the stock trading Discord. This is one of our best weeks that we've ever had, and so I definitely thought we had to highlight this, put it in a video for you guys all to see and showcase. So we've got a lot of cool stuff to go over. Not only did we end with an 88% win rate, but we also had a 400% gainer on puts on SMCI. We had a 500% gainer on FedEx calls, and look how we dominated on shares just this week. We went absolutely crazy. Rivian went from $10 to $18, so we took huge profits there. Let's go ahead and look at some of our trades. I also want to show you guys that we do live classes all the time. Some of these are even free, so if anyone does not want to buy a premium, which I totally understand, if you can't, you can still join the classes for free. So let's take a look at these trades because they are extremely interesting. First, I wanted to show you guys the Rivian trade, but I'll show you something pretty cool as well. So I'm going to search buying Rivian. So right here we were talking about buying Rivian under 15.71. Then we officially established our position buying Rivian shares here at 9.97. Now, yes, we did buy even more once it had gotten a little bit higher because we did strongly believe in this stock. But if we see what happened, let's try and find that Rivian closing alert. We can see that, yeah, so in only 2 weeks from from establishing our full position in Rivian with an average cost of $10 and I think 80 cents at that point, Rivian skyrocketed to $18.50, which was our price target. It did go higher, but 18.50 was our price target, so we took all of our profits out there. Let's see this profit screenshot. That was $781 just in one day. We had tons of profits actually being posted. Yeah, so here is that one as well. More profits. This was winning a trading competition, AMD calls that went very well. Let's talk about that 523% gainer. So that's going to be here in this channel. Elmer Trades just started alerting with us, so this was his first swing alert ever. As you guys can see right here, he's talking about buying FedEx and UPS calls for earnings. He told us what prices he's buying it at. The interesting thing is, so what he did is alert this at 11:43, giving us over 4 hours to place those trades. That way it's not like a last minute type of thing where you're worried about possibly missing out. He gave us 4 hours to get filled on those, and he bought them for 300 bucks and then sold them up 520% because they hit $2,300. He also did the same thing with UPS. UPS did very well because of FedEx's earnings. FedEx went up 15%. And so UPS kind of went up as well with that, and so we took 138% on those as well. So just to give you guys an idea, like I said, he bought them for 300, sold them for 2,300, which means if you're buying, let's see, Join Hydra, if you bought our lifetime for $449, just with one trade, you're making that back about 5 times, actually a little bit more. So that's pretty crazy. You can do that just with one of our, I think 17 trades we had just this week. If we look at previous weeks, it's very similar. We don't always have massive gainers. That's why I'm saying this was such a good week, but we're always consistent with our wins. Notice how we're always very consistent with the amount of wins we have compared to losses, right? So in this case, 88% win rate last week, 90% win rate. Super good. So I'm very proud of all of us here alerting. We have tons of analysts doing this. All of us are very experienced. With that being said, thank you guys very much for watching. The Discord is going to be linked in the description and the comments to make it easy for you guys. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.